Class 7 NCERT Chapter 8 Question 6 How will you help your neighbor in case cyclone approach your village and town? आप अपने नेबर्स में हेल्प कैसे करोगे अगर साइक्लोन आ जाता है आपके शहर में आपके गांव में? आंसर We can help our neighbors. We can help our neighbors in case cyclone approach cyclone approaches by any of the following measures. कुछ measures को follow करके. The first is by helping them shift to a safer place. The second point is by helping them to shift their animals, necessary household and vehicles to safer place. And the third point is by calling emergency service by calling emergency service such as fire station, police and medical center.